Does ghee help in hair growth? Yes. Ghee nourishes the scalp and stimulates hair growth, making your hair longer and stronger. All you need to do is massage your scalp regularly with ghee. For better results, mix coconut oil with ghee. It hydrates your hair from within and removes dryness, resulting in healthy and shiny hair, which was once dry and brittle. Can we apply ghee on hair overnight? Desi ghee has antioxidant and vitamin E, which is both good and bad for your hair health. Use ghee as an overnight treatment to prevent hair fall and breakage. It acts as a deep conditioner for your hair. Ghee is extremely rich in compounds like omega-3 fatty acids, carotenoids, conjugated linoleic fatty acids, and vitamin A and E, all products you wish for to stimulate hair growth. These compounds stimulate hair follicle growth by nourishing the skin cells of the scalp. How long should I leave ghee in my hair? Take a sufficient amount of warm desi ghee and apply it to the ends of your hair. Use a wide tooth comb to spread it through your split ends. After 10 to 15 minutes, wash it off with a mild shampoo. Can I mix coconut oil and ghee? Combining ghee with coconut oil is like having the best of both worlds. Using ghee with almonds and lemon keeps dandruff at bay. Mix 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon almond oil and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply this to your scalp and let it stay for 1 hour. Finally, rinse it off with shampoo. Experts recommended daily use of this in summer and twice every week in winters for best results. Ghee can also act as a natural conditioning agent when used with olive oil. When used regularly, it helps your hair get smoother and softer. Mix 2 tablespoons of ghee with a tablespoon of olive oil and apply it to your hair. It will also improve your hair texture. You can also prepare a conditioner by mixing 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee with a 1 tablespoon each of aloe vera and olive oil. Leave it on for a couple of hours before rinsing it off with a mild shampoo, which prevents hair from getting split ends and frizziness. Hey guys, do subscribe my channel and like the video and follow for more.